The drill is simple enough. It's just knock, left click and right click. But when combined together and with speed and consistency, it can give you a roll. Hi everyone, welcome back to another How to Asalato series. Today we won't be talking about a single-handed trick, but more of a simplified trick put together, just knocks and clicks, to give you a term called drill. This trick can be difficult in the beginning, but that's because your motions are not familiar yet. But how do I get from a knock, click, click all the way to a speed that fast? The key is practice. And also with the metronome. We're gonna practice it with a different kind of timing here. Usually I'll go with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, but this time we are gonna divide the beat out into 3 portions. So knock, click, click, knock, click, click, knock, click, click, knock, click, click. Without the asalato, we are going to just practice counting and dividing it with the beat. At 80 beats per minute, knock, click, click, knock, click, click, knock, click, click, knock, click, click. Knock, click, click, knock, click, click, knock, click, click, knock, click, click. Knock, click, click. Now this time we are up 20 beats per minute at 90 beats. Finally at 110 beats per minute. Once you've reached 110, remember to push yourself more. You can go 130, 140. Just remember that your tempo has to be consistent. You're subdividing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Play around with it and I'll see you in the next tutorial.